I'm Tim Smith with the Adams County Historical Society, and welcome to Artifact of the Month. So this month, for our artifacts, we chose items from the Speese pottery. Now, Charles Speese was actually born in Shippensburg, and he moved here with his family after the American Civil War. His father opened up a pottery on Seminary Ridge, on today what would be the campus of the Lutheran Theological Seminary. Eventually, Charles took over the pottery. And, his probably main work in the pottery dealt with, the terracotta piping and making useful household items out of pottery. But at some point, he began to dabble in souvenirs. And in our Gettysburg Beyond the Battle Museum, we actually have some of the miniature monuments that he created for the tourist trade. And also here in the display, we have some examples of miniature canteens that he made. He made miniature bullets that he sold very cheaply around town. And, I like to think that he went out, made little miniatures of the monuments prior to the dedication ceremonies, and maybe was in the crowd during the ceremonies selling little miniatures of the monuments. A very creative way to make money. Eventually, the Speese pottery moved onto the York Pike, where some of you might remember there were ceramic kilns there near Rock Creek for many years before they were removed. And today, Charles Speese, you can visit his grave in Gettysburg's Evergreen Cemetery, and of course you can come here to see examples of his pottery.